God bless you all. Welcome to my friendly maths channel. Let's see the solution to one more interesting question. And the question is the sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits is 66. If the digits of the number differ by 2, find the number. How many such numbers are there? Okay, let's see how we can do this question. Now let the number in the tens place be x. ओके एंड द नंबर इन वंस प्लेस बी वाई. हम मान लेते हैं कि टेंस प्लेस वाला नंबर जो है वो x है और वंस प्लेस वाला नंबर जो है वो y है. तो इन दिस केस द नंबर विल बी एक्स वाई हो जाएगा. ओके एंड इफ वी रिवर्स दिस डिजिट्स तो टेंस प्लेस में y आ जाएगा एंड वंस प्लेस में x आ जाएगा एंड द नंबर विल बी yx. आई होप दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर. Okay, so the number is 10x plus y, x in tens place, and if we reverse the digits, the number will be 10y plus x, y in tens place. Okay, and the condition given is that जब हम इन दोनों को add करेंगे, when we add these two numbers, two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits, the sum is equal to 66. ओके सो देयरफॉर कंडीशन 1 क्या हो जाएगा 10x प्लस वाई प्लस 10y प्लस x इज इक्वल टू 66. ओके सो 10x एंड x इज देयर. ओके एंड सो इट विल बी 11x and 10y plus y is there, so it will be 11y. So 11x plus 11y is equal to 66. Okay, now 11x plus 11y is equal to 66. Now dividing every term by 11, we will be getting these 11 will be cancelled and 11 6 are 66. Okay, so we will be getting x plus y is equal to 6. So this will be our first equation. Now condition 2 is given that the difference between two digits is 2. Okay, given in the question, if the digits of the number differ by 2, right? So with that, the mathematical representation will be x minus y is equal to 2, given in the question, right? So this will be our equation 2, right? Let me mention it as equation 2, please. Yeah, this is equation 2. Now adding equations 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay, we will be getting 1 is x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 2. So this plus y minus y will be cancelled and x plus x is equal to 2x and 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So 2x is equal to 8, and if we want x, dividing both sides by 2, this 2 will be cancelled. 2 4s are 8. Therefore x is equal to 8. Okay, we got the digit x. That's its value is 4. Now substituting x is equal to 4 in equation 1. Okay, in place of x हम 4 दिखा देंगे. 4 plus y is equal to 6 हो जाएगा. And then if we want y, then this 4 when we bring it here, it will be plus 4 will change into minus 4. So y is equal to 6 minus 4 and that is equal to 2. So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2 we got. So the required number is 42, and when we reverse the digits, then the number will be 24. This is the answer. Let's verify our answer. Condition 1 is given that a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing their place value, reversing the digits. Okay, so when we reverse 42, it will be 24 and the sum is equal to 66. This is the condition 1. And the condition 2 is that the difference between these two digits is equal to 2. Right? When we subtract these two digits, so 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Thus 42 and 24, these two numbers are satisfying the conditions and hence the answer. I hope this video is clear to you all. If you have enjoyed this question, please like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe the channel for some more interesting questions. All the very best and thank you so much for watching.